my office installing Ubuntu. I hope this time it works because the other day it didn't work. So anyway, in relation to the ProView data, it will select the internal frame. The internal frame from the mothership based upon the best regard. It is the subsidy of the timer to play itself into the maximum number of working partition. In general, there is the working of the oil wave of the machine. It is the bell whistle of the division. The completion of area of 090601 is by the board of the third moon, which may switch off to the mode of the artificial intelligence to work out wind graph. In time, the division for the completion of A9B1218 is to design day 10 by the interlude technology, and in the price of the game, it will aura itself into the division. I'll be back. I've got to pause, so you have to wait for the installation. The working partition of the general Alright, I hope this one works. Thank you. Hope it doesn't override my Windows. The division for the completion of the old 81324 is by the Spirit Sun. It may reverse the time out for the plea. In so, the division for the completion of 090601 is the computerized system to minimize the working partition. In general, there is the working partition of B121829. To design day 10 by the interlude technology, it will win the console. In that matter of time, the working partition will generate 243, which is the oil wave in the machine. The machine is EG8921. Thank you. I'll be back, it's installing. The working partition will generate 282944642. In the spirit of the energy, it will reverse the manner. In time, the division for the completion of the area of interest based upon the conclusion, it will array itself into the third performance. The network of CE18294644241 is by the spirit of the sun, which may reverse the manner. In time, the fifth moon is the division of the completion. It's complete. Hopefully it works. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, it does work. So 3 screens. Hopefully it works. Oh, it does work. Look, three screens. Thank God for that. So, okay. Where is the settings? Wait.